Hello there. Ever find yourself in a rut, feeling like progress is just out of reach? We've all been there. But let's let you in on a little secret. Success is spelled with 10 letters: consistency. Dreaming big, perfecting a talent, or simply bettering yourself, it all boils down to showing up every day. It's the spark that sets progress ablaze. Sure, it's not always a walk in the park. Some days, going the extra mile feels like a marathon, but remember, these are the moments when greatness is shaped, so continue showing up, especially when it's the last thing you want to do. Now consider this. You're on a fitness journey. Will once a month workouts carve out that dream body? Clearly not. But regular, consistent effort, that's when the transformation happens. So let's engrave this in our minds. Consistency is key. Keep showing up and unlock your potential. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more motivational content. Drop a comment, hit the like and share buttons. Together we'll conquer our goals.